Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, I wanted to just kind of have like a laid back video really explaining what you must know about day trading before you start. And a lot of these people that want to get into day trading are people in college, younger people. And so I want to make this video designed for them and pretty much all beginners. If you're older, you're going to get a lot of value out of this. But we're going to be talking about what you must know before you start. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do because guys, we are almost at 21,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys do that. So to jump into it, roll the intro, come on. So starting off, what is day trading? If you just clicked on this video and you didn't know what we were talking about, well, day trading is pretty much when you buy a stock and sell a stock during the same trading day. You don't hold it overnight or anything like that or for long periods of times. Most of the time, you're in and out of a trade within probably about 30 minutes, which is crazy. And the first thing you need to understand is there's a rule called the PDT rule. This is the pattern day trader rule, meaning you can only day trade 3 times within a 5-day trading window. Now the reason why they do that is because, or the exchange does this, is to help you guys. And I know it sounds crazy because you think, well, Carter, I only can day trade 3 times. How is that going to help me? Well, it is. The reason why is because 95% of day traders actually fail. And the exchange understands that, knows that, so they want to limit your growth because they don't want you to lose your money. Now, obviously, there is some ways to get around this rule, such as having an account with over $25,000 in it, or using a cash account. Personally, both those two are great ways to get past the rule, but starting off, don't even worry about it. Now, the third thing you need to understand is take the time to invest, right? Most people that want to day trade are younger and they want to get rich quick, right? Everybody does. I want to get rich tomorrow. But the issue, day trading is a career and you have to treat it like one, right? The expression I always like to say is, how long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years, if not decades. You have to have that same mindset with day trading. And I know I've said in the past, paper trade and all that stuff, you should, but you should be paper trading for several years, right? If you're just starting off creating a style and strategy and all that stuff, you should be if you're in college, you should take these 4 years and paper trade every single day. The reason why is because you're going to develop a strategy that works well for you, and I want you to be well diversified in all of the markets that we experience. Whether it's a bull market, you need to understand that a bull market is way different than a market that's consolidating, and then you need to understand that's different than a market that's bear. So you need to understand the market cycles, and I would recommend paper trading in all of those. So do that for several years until you develop a trading style, strategy that works well for you. Now, the third thing you need to understand is take the extra approach to invest into your day trading equipment. And what I mean by that is there's day trading scanners, there's high efficiency computers, there's better monitors. Stuff like that's gonna go a long way, because what that's gonna do is it's gonna give you an edge over other day traders. So if there's 2 people fighting for shares, who do you think is going to win? The guy with a slow computer or a guy with a fast computer? The guy with the fast computer is going to win every single time because he's obviously faster. So you need to understand that. Another thing is there's something called Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is it's a scanning service that pretty much scans all the stocks out there. I'm sure you guys have seen videos of it. It's the most popular day trading scanner there is. But it's about 120 bucks a month, and a lot of beginners don't want to make that investment to do it. You have to. I hate to break the news to you, you have to invest into your future. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's going to benefit you in the long run because, like I said, it gives you another edge over traders. And even if you get that alert 10 seconds before somebody else gets an alert, you have that edge to make some extra money. Now, the last and final thing I want to talk about is mindset and emotions. This is like 95% of day trading is understanding emotions. Emotions are a huge factor to your trades, right? Because there's fear, there's FOMO, there's greed. All these emotions are going to make you want to get in positions faster, get out of positions faster. And the mindset I always like to say is you have to be a master of your emotions in order to succeed. Because if that's just say you're taking a trade and you see other people taking a trade, maybe you're gonna get some FOMO and want to buy more shares. Or maybe if you're sitting on the sidelines on a trade and you see other people talking about a trade, maybe that wants to get, maybe you think about getting in that trade. You have to be a master of your emotions and understand that my strategy that works well for me may not work well for you, but it may work well for some other people. So what I always do is I think the best strategy, you kind of pick bits and pieces from everyone and then you develop your own. I think that's the best approach you should have for developing a day trading strategy, guys. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Shorter video today. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, and maybe we'll do some live streams where I break down some of my day trades. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see that, but we'll see you later. Take care.